Nowadays, our lifestyles make it difficult for us to spare some time for ourselves. Weight loss has become the central issue of recent times. People want to look fit and attractive, but they may not be able to get enough time to go to the gym. Here are some beginner-friendly exercises that do not require any equipment and can easily be carried out at home. Number 1. Wall push-ups. As the name suggests, it inclines the use of a wall in push-up exercises. It is an effective modification in traditional push-up and motivates the beginners to carry them out there at their homes. It resembles the original push-up but relatively easier. In this exercise, you shift your hands from the ground to the wall and press against it. Stand near the wall at a distance of an arm's length. Place your both palm at the wall with shoulder width apart. Lean forward, trying to push the wall with your hands, engaging your triceps and lats properly. Embrace your quads, glutes, and midline at all the same time. While leaning forward to touch the wall with your forehead, spout your elbows behind you. Press the wall and continue to make reps. Number 2. Superman pose. This exercise is also beginner-friendly and very easygoing. Lay down on your stomach, stretch your legs and arms outside. Now, make a position as if you are flying by rotating your arms and legs. Your abdominal muscles tolerate your whole body weight. Continue this position for 10 seconds initially and extend it gradually. It is a perfect exercise to boost stamina and tone the muscles of the whole body. Number 3. Bicycle crunch. This exercise targets almost all the muscle groups of the body without the involvement of any equipment. It improves flexibility and boosts stability. It increases heart rate and burns calories by constantly keeping your body in movement. Lay down on your back and bend your knees upward. Raise your arms and place the hands slightly side by your head, elevating your shoulder blades and feet off the ground and engaging your abs. Raise your left leg and stretch it out. Lift the right leg and bend it, bring it closer to your chest. In the meanwhile, bring your left elbow close to your raised knee. It may not touch the knee, but try to get both these organs as intimate as possible. The hands should stay by your head throughout the process. Now shift the sides and stretch your right leg out. Bend your left leg to touch it to the right elbow. Keep alternating the sides to make 10 reps in the beginning. Make sure you engage your core to make a move. Number 4. Plank. A practical and easy exercise for the beginner is a plank. It is an effortless workout and targets the muscles of your shoulders, arms, and glutes. Lie down on your stomach, putting your palms on the ground slightly wider than shoulder apart. Keep your toes pointed towards the earth and reach your entire body by putting your whole body weight on your arms and toes. Embrace your glutes to alleviate your body. Make sure that your knees must not too much extended or interlocked. The distance between the legs make it easy for you to stabilize your body. Stop into this position for 10 seconds. You must maintain your form to get the maximum benefits. Number 5. Forward lunges. Forward lunges imply on the lower part of your body most effectively. It targets your glutes, quads, hamstrings, and calf muscles, engaging your abs and lower back to maintain stability. Stand on the ground on your feet with the hip width apart. March with a big step ahead with right leg. Put the maximum of your body weight on the front foot while lowering your knee down. The front foot should be kept flat on the ground and the back heel lifted by pointing the toes on the floor. Lean forward until your rear knee is about to touch the floor and the front knee is loaded with your body weight over your ankle. Both the knees make an angle of 90 degrees but in the opposite direction. Push yourself back, driving on the heel of your front foot, and return to the initial position. Do 10 to 15 reps in the beginning and extend it to 60 reps progressively.